Ready to dominate Los Santos streets from the comfort of your couch using your favorite controller. Today, we're diving into how to get your PS4, PS5, or Xbox controller working flawlessly on Fivem. Trust me, it's easier than a bank heist gone wrong. First things first, you'll need to connect your controller to your PC. For PlayStation controllers, you can use a USB cable or Bluetooth. For Xbox controllers, a USB cable or a compatible Xbox wireless adapter works great. With your controller connected and Fivem installed, launch the Fivem application. Navigate to the settings menu to find the controller configuration options. Look for the controller or input section. Depending on the Fivem version you're using, here's where the magic happens. You will customize your button mapping. Now, the button mapping is completely customizable, but to get you started, Fivem allows you to set pre-configured profiles for your controller of choice. These profiles will map the essential in-game controls like movement, aiming, jumping, and interacting with objects. You can easily swap between pre-configured or tweak things like the sensitivity of your thumbsticks for fine-tuned control. Once you save your settings, jump into Fivem and test your setup. Take a walk, get in a car, and even shoot a few cans to ensure every button corresponds to the functions. Don't be afraid to return to the settings and tweak them to your personal preferences. Congratulations, you're now ready to experience Fivem with the controller. Remember to like and subscribe for more Fivem guides, and share this video with your controller-loving friends. Go have fun and stay safe out there. #Fivem controller #gaming.